In this video, I will show you how to add a scene in Pictory. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Pictory. As you can see, I've currently got a sample video loaded in. Now to add a scene, it's very easy to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is select the scene from your list. So if you look underneath, you've got, for example, like intro scene, scene 1, scene 2, and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do, say I wanted to add a scene after scene 6, I'm going to click on scene 6. You can see I'm currently on this now. And if you look to the right of this scene, you're going to see this little plus button. You can also add a scene prior to scene 6 as well, so between scene 5 and scene 6. So what I'm going to do is just click onto the plus button, and then you're going to get some options to insert either a blank scene, text only, visuals only, or text and visuals. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and choose visuals only. And now what it's going to do is load up a window like this. So what I can do is go ahead and add my additional scenes. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for what I want to do. So because this is just visuals, I'm going to come up to the search box and I'm just going to go ahead and put lions and hit enter. And then what you want to do is choose the visuals for your scene. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one as an example. And you can see a preview of the scene on the right hand side. So once that's done, that's ready to go. So all you need to do is click anywhere outside of this screen option. And you'll see that's now added the additional scene as scene 7 after scene 6. So that's how to go ahead and add a scene in Pictory. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.